Hello everyone, let's have a nature walk to my kitchen garden. Here is a mango tree. Mango tree is packed with minerals. It is also help in healing our skin problems. It is also preferred to have improve our immune system. The people those who are suffering from diarrhea are asked to eat a mango too. Next is the banana tree. Banana tree is rich in medicinal properties. It prevents the people those are suffering from constipation and diarrhea. It also improves our memory and vision too. It also improves from the people those are suffering from constipation. Next is Next is the jamun tree. Jamun in English are also known as black plums. Black plums, the people who are suffering from cancer are asked to eat a black plum a day must. It also improves our digestion system. It also circulates the blood through the body nicely. Next is a tulsi plant. Tulsi in English are known as holy basils. It is also good to have a tulsi or a holy basil in our tea too. It also improves our liver and other parts of the body too. Next is next is an aloe vera plant. Aloe vera Aloe vera are also used in cosmetic products and cosmetic injections. Doctors also prefers to have aloe vera juice to the people those are suffering from cancer. Next is a curry leaf plant. Curry leaves are also rich in copper, zinc, iron, vitamin K and many other minerals too. At the end, I would like to say that economy and environment, they both are truly two sides of a coin. If we don't take care of our environment, we will lose our economy